In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in Cloudflare. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to ensure your website is securely accessed by visitors, you're in the right place. Redirecting HTTP traffic to HTTPS is a crucial step in maintaining a secure connection between your site and its users. It not only protects sensitive data, but also improves your website's trustworthiness and SEO rankings. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Cloudflare website. If you're unfamiliar with Cloudflare, it's a platform that offers security, performance optimization, and other tools to help you manage your website effectively. Once you're on the site, log in using your existing credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one. The process is quick and straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set up your account. If you're using the Continue with Google option, simply select your Google account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard. This is the main hub where you can view and manage all of your websites. Look for the domain you want to work on, the one you'll be redirecting from HTTP to HTTPS, and click on it. This will take you to the specific settings and options for that domain. From here, locate the Rules tab within the Cloudflare settings. The Rules section is where you can configure custom behaviors for your site, including HTTP to HTTPS redirection. Click on the option to create a new rule. This is the starting point for setting up the redirection. Now, it's time to assign a name to your rule. This step is important because it helps you easily identify and manage the rule later on. Choose a clear and descriptive name, such as HTTP to HTTPS redirect, so you know exactly what this rule does at a glance. Next, it's time to define the request URL. This is the URL that will trigger the redirection. In this case, make sure the request URL begins with HTTP. This tells Cloudflare that any traffic arriving at the unsecured HTTP version of your site should be redirected. Once the request URL is set, you'll need to specify the target URL. This is where visitors will be redirected to, and it should begin with HTTPS. By doing this, you're instructing Cloudflare to send all traffic to the secure, encrypted version of your website. Before moving on, take a moment to double-check both the request and target URLs. Accuracy is key here. Any typos or errors could result in the redirection not working properly. Finally, once you're confident that everything is set up correctly, click on Deploy to finalize and activate the rule. This step makes the redirection live, so any visitors accessing your site via HTTP will now be automatically sent to the HTTPS version. And that's it. You've successfully configured Cloudflare to redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. Remember, this isn't just about security, it's also about providing a seamless and trustworthy experience for your site visitors. By taking this step, you've enhanced both the performance and credibility of your website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.